I'm back from my trip to Renton, Washington to the Kenworth truck plant. Man, we had an awesome time. Hope you enjoy this video. The Boston Trucker here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it. Hey, let's take off a few days and fly out to Renton, Washington to the Kenworth plant. Let's go. We had beautiful weather all the way across the country. It was absolutely gorgeous. Breathtaking scenery. And then we hit Seattle. And it rained. And it rained for 3 days straight. But it did not deter us. We had a great time. Check it out.
One more, hey. Back Jack, hey. Woo.
Yeah, is right. The rain did not slow us down from doing the touristy thing. We checked out Pike's Public Market. We walked around, checked out the vendors. We got a nice lunch. Check out the Ferris wheel behind Anthony. We went and said hello to this nice monkfish. Hello, monkfish. How are you? Then we checked out the gum wall. Disgusting. That's actual gum on the wall.
Eureka all the way up to Seattle in those flood watches. That's mostly for those swollen rivers. However, we also have avalanche watches. We have high wind warnings for up to 75 miles per hour in Montana. Michael?
All right, we're walking into Kenworth, guys. Who's excited?
Don't show me with an umbrella. Don't leave any comments. No comments.
Come on, Tony.
My knee blew out.
Your knee blew out? You okay?
Yeah.
Hey,
How are
Quinn.
you?
I'm the Kenworth factory rep.
Nice to meet you,
Good to
Quinn.
meet you.
Thank you for bringing us around.
Hood. Michael, look at the hood.
I know, look at that. Looks like a, what's that, a T600?
Yeah.
It's a wide hood.
All right, you guys ready to go inside?
It's a
Packard MX-13. So this was built in Mississippi. They're all built in Columbus, Mississippi, and actually a good chunk of them are getting exported. We're exporting engines to Europe for our DOF division.
Yeah. So is that what will be in the trucks that we ordered?
No.
What
No, we got a Cummins.
What you ordered? Cummins. Okay,
Cummins.
so those are made in Jamestown, New York. Those are
But those are 15s as opposed to 13.
15s. Yeah, those are the high horsepower.
Yeah. We need the high horsepower.
Yeah, I gotta. All right, we can't film inside the factory. I'm gonna shut the camera off now. All right, we're ready. Let's go.
So this is kind of our display area in the factory. Unfortunately, a lot of the stuff is proprietary in the factory, so we can't show you much out there. But this is our display area, and we got some cool stuff here. This is the DOF. This is the European division. They're all cab overs. And once you get in there, you can see the visibility is excellent.
Yeah.
This is one of the first T680 next gens to come out.
Okay.
I think these are cool because you're taking your old 660 vibes and put them into the new 680. My favorite feature of those is the turn signals in the fender there. Yeah, let me show you. This has the camera mirrors too that just came out.
Oh wow, look at that.
So this is the turn signal. I think that is a cool idea because if you're in a low car, you can know when this thing's turning. This is the camera mirrors. So you can see on the I think it's the A-pillar. You can see it's mounted right there, so that it's really clear. You can see.
You're not even, are you looking down at that mirror over there?
You can. No. I mean, there's a little bit of a mirror, but you're looking at the screen. But it's got the camera there.
Yeah.
So this is a pretty top of the line deal. This is built in Chillicothe. So you got the chassis number right there.
Okay. Can I take a look inside?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah.
Here.
I'm gonna look at all the trucks.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah. Nice seating.
Wonderful interior.
Very like soft leather. I like the brown accents on the doors. Very nice. It's wide bunk. Look at that, they got these mirror posts here. And the small mirrors right there, that's pretty cool. Smells good in here. It's nice. Right. Tight doors.
This also has a,
Oh, what is that?
it's a turning vane so you can climb up on the back with
Oh my God. That's pretty cool.
Release right here. Yeah, that's a nice little feature.
That's a cool feature. Yeah.
So you can get them on both sides.
So is that an APU unit up in the back?
That's a Chem's unit. It's Kenworth's idle management.
Okay. So you can keep the truck cold and warm with the truck off?
Yeah.
Awesome. What else we got? I like the spoiler on the windshield post.
All right, this is a cool truck.
Yeah.
This is the prototype of the W900 Icon Edition.
Okay.
If you come over here, look at the dash.
Oh, I gotta catch these guys in the truck. This guy's never been in a big truck like this before. Look at you guys. You guys ready to run teams?
This nose is way too long.
Yeah.
Come on.
We may have made a mistake. This is too long.
What do you think?
Will you look at the interior of this thing?
What?
Incredible.
So it's like a seat in the back, but can you?
Yeah,
make
so the
that?
bottom is a couch and a bed. The top is a bed. The bed can fold up. This is what I used to live in. This is what over-the-road guys live in.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a nice truck.
Now, if we bought you one like this, would you do an extra load?
I do one extra one. Yeah. Only one though. This is nice. You guys look good in this.
This is going to be
You
quite
ever see the TV show Moving On?
Yeah. What's this thing on the floor right here?
That's a clutch.
What's this extra pedal for?
I don't know. I could
understand.
give
What's
you some
this
lessons.
stick? I don't know. The trucks I'm used to driving, they have 2 sticks. Why? This is an invention. It's got 1 stick. Yeah, this is pretty cool.
It is.
Yeah,
What
that's right, huh?
That's going to be a nice truck.
What's the Seattle package? You said we got the Seattle package.
More leather interior. It'll be all here on the doors, down on the cup holders.
Is that the visor you ordered?
I don't even think we got
that's a stock visor.
I think
We didn't get a visor on the new
Yeah,
one.
'cause
We're gonna put a custom visor on it.
That is cool. And then we didn't get the steering wheel.
We didn't get the smart wheel either. No, we're gonna put a custom wheel. This is a beautiful truck. Wow. This is nice, man.
Yeah, so let me show you the dash on this. This is the prototype.
Okay.
So, want to get into it? So this will probably be in like a Jay Leno collection. Look at the look at the plaque on the dash there. 000.
So this is the first one built?
Yep.
Oh,
my God, look at that, huh?
Wow.
Badging, chicken
First
legs and beef.
100th anniversary built.
When did they build
So
it?
that's mostly just an appearance package. 2000.
Tony, you gonna take a rest in here for a while? You can take a nap in the back?
And look at this.
It looks pretty
You
good.
got the stick.
I know.
You start with what works.
I thought it was for resting your arm. I didn't understand it first. It's gonna be one hell of a truck, Michael.
It's got
I
a
know.
bench back there.
Yeah.
You can see it? There you go. Here's an example. So this is the VIN.
Yeah.
The last 6 are the numbers I can look it up in my computer. R is Renton, J is Chillicothe. So
Oh.
if you want to know where it's built, little fun party trick.
That is fun.
Now this guy right here, this is a rare bird. This was built at the original Seattle factory over by Pike Place Market, where you guys were yesterday.
Yep.
And then they moved over by Boeing Field. But this is, it's got the wood. I wonder if it's unlocked. I mean, look at that.
Whoa.
Wood floor. I don't even fit in that. You can tell people were a little bit smaller back then.
Oh my God.
So see this flap here? That's the turn signal.
No way.
So you pull the cable.
Look at the windshield. The windshield comes out.
I told
Yeah.
Quinn it's the right colors. It just needs a white hood and we're good to go.
You're not
right?
going to see too many like this. So it's got the butterfly hood. 1932.
That's something. This will look good at the pit.
And it's actually a gasoline engine, which is interesting.
in the back.
Cummins is actually coming out with a gasoline engine they're going to put in the medium duty. Yeah.
Really?
Turbo inline 6. Get away from it. That's exactly what they're doing. Come in.
2-speed axle.
I watch videos of those guys doing that. Just, put your elbow in the wheel. Oh, really?
What are you guys noticing?
Oops.
Tony, get in and take it for a ride.
I couldn't fit behind the wheel.
I don't think any of us could. This is awesome.
No, we're going to have to clutch everything around.
So do you pull this cable and it turns?
Oh, yeah. Pull it, Mike.
Pull it?
Pull it. Like I said. Yeah.
I don't want to break it.
That one hurt your ankle and crap.
That's cool.
locked down. Be careful.
There you go.
Oh, maybe
They
it's
had
not.
one of these in the Three Stooges when they go around the corner and hits the guy.
So this is awesome, really cool. Are these those camera mirrors too?
Yeah, totally.
The camera mirrors, yeah. They're small, just like them.
Yeah.
We were the first ones to invent those. Yeah, yeah. Let me go take a look at that DAF.
Yeah, go check it out.
All right. When I was in London, they had a lot of these, and in Israel, and Europe, the European trucks. You ever sit in a cab over before?
No.
Oh, go ahead, come on. This is gonna be great. I'll get on the other side. I'll watch you climb in it too. It'll be fun.
Thanks. Really. Wow, that's weird. That is really weird.
I'm gonna go to the other side. Yeah, locked up. Thanks. Oh yeah.
I'm really surprised.
A lot of guys, they're a little deeper usually with a little small mattress.
Really?
Back here. Oh yeah.
Can you
Must
buy
be like
this?
a digital dashboard.
Can you buy this in America if you wanted one?
No, a few years back you could get this cab on a C500 though.
C500.
They were exporting a lot of those to China where you're in the mountain roads and you need all the visibility you can get.
Okay.
But they haven't done that in quite a while. I don't even think they can sell them anymore. But those were export only.
Okay. And these are built here too?
No,
These are not
built
built
in the Netherlands.
okay.
Okay.
I like the dash.
A lot of leg room.
Yeah, I don't like that. I imagine that's all. Is that all touchscreen?
I don't know how new this one is. Maybe. They swap these out pretty regularly. That may be the touchscreen.
So even construction trucks over in Europe
Yeah.
are
Yeah,
kind
it
of
would
like
be the
this?
bigger version, but yeah, they would have a cab over design.
What's the theory? Why not here in America? Is there a regulation on it, or
it's
No.
fuel efficiency, just because it's like a lunchbox going down the road.
okay?
But I like it. You can see everything.
Yeah.
So if I
Yeah.
was driving through Seattle, I wouldn't hate this.
Yeah. I started out in a cab over, but you couldn't see as well as out of this one. The dashboards were higher. There's a lot of blind spots. But this is
Yeah.
really built really nicely.
Yeah, I never knew the history of why cab overs went away.
They ride bad. That's one of the reasons.
Yeah, I couldn't tell you. That's before my time.
Yeah. Is this an automatic, you think, or is that a gear shift?
Yeah, I think the shifter's on the column.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, drive.
Oh,
for,
okay.
yeah.
So that must be a handbrake.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, no clutch for sure.
No question. Careful getting up.
Good thing you said that.
No, seriously.
I would have.
That's
You want to get in? Put on this delivery driver hat.
hey, but you know, he said this is a class 8 truck. It's not a light truck. What they
Well, look what I found. Hold on. Got a balloon. I'm gonna put it over here. I don't want litter. I found it on the ground. So we can't take the tour through the factory for obvious reasons. This is not the end of this video, so stay tuned. Mirror. So there's a camera off.
Oh yeah, the mirror. It's a camera mirror, so there's screens in there.
I'm gonna take a look at the inside of this one. Oh, it's your speed. There's no stick shift.
I like it. Drew, I'll be honest.
Okay.
Drew, I'll be honest. I'm having second thoughts again.
Oh, you too bad. I already sold the 880.
You already said really?
Quinn Eddy taking us around, showing us the factory, showing us from the beginning to the end of the trucks being built. My truck's about 10 days away from being built, and the 800's about a month after that.
So yeah, it's been great. Thank you so much, Kenworth, for the VIP treatment, for sure. It's been awesome. Kenworth, the world's best. You know that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to send out a special thanks to Northeast Kenworth and salesman Drew Trombley. Drew's been awesome through this whole process of ordering trucks. He came along for the trip, put it all together. Thank you so much, Drew and Northeast Kenworth. I want to thank the Cardillos for letting me be me, coming along, and we had an awesome time. I want to thank Kenworth of Seattle, Renton, Washington. They gave us the VIP treatment. Rob, Quinn, thanks a lot, guys. They gave me this awesome one-of-a-kind hat. You guys are the best. Hit that subscribe button to see my next video. It's going to be a good one, trust me. Thanks.